A lot of people, they practice to fail. They don't practice to pass, they practice to fail. What does that mean? There is a question which you say, oh, today I want to do practice. Yeah, that's very good. I appreciate it. So you open up the book, you pick up a question, and that question is for, let's suppose this question is for 10 marks. Now, you know that in ACCA, you have 1.8 minutes for each question. So you should be doing this question in 18 minutes approximately. Okay. But you are sitting, you are reading the question in a very relaxed frame of mind. You read it once, you read it casually, then you read it second time because you didn't understand the first time. Maybe you just revisit it again, then you started doing it and you are thinking slowly or whatever. You are in a relaxed frame of mind. And what you do the question, but you do this question probably in 28 minutes instead of 18 or 20. You do it in 28 or 30 minutes. Let's call it like this. You should be doing it in 20 minutes, you do it in 30 minutes. Okay, you did not pay attention that I have spent 10 minutes more. Then next day you do the same thing. Again, a 20-minute question, you are doing it in 30. Next day, again, you do the same thing. So you are actually training your mind to do a 20-minute task in 30 minutes. And you do this practice for 2 months. So for 2 months, you have been telling your mind to go slow, to interpret things slowly, and you are very relaxed. And then on one fine day, you go to exam, and now you ask your mind to do this 20-minute question in 20 minutes, and your mind refuses to do so because it was never trained to do so. So what happens that in exam, you again start giving 10 minutes extra to every question. And then you say that, you know what, I only could finish three questions. The fourth question I could not do. Because the fourth question you never practiced to do. You always were spending more time. So when you do practice, always make sure that keep a watch with you. So what will happen that on day one, a 10-minute, a 20-minute question, probably you will do in 30 minutes, but you have a realization that I have taken more time. So next day when you sit, you will do it in 28 minutes. Again, when you will sit, you will do it in 26 minutes because you are conscious about this issue. If you are not conscious, if you are not aware about this issue, you will be spending 30 minutes every time, which you should not be doing. So have a conscious, you know, this time spending, you should be conscious about that. I have to curtail it, I have to cut it down, and probably in after 1 month or after doing 20 questions, you know that I have to read fast, you know that I have to understand and absorb information while reading fast, and you know that I have to be, I don't have to waste time while solving the question. I will do it as fast as possible because I've done practice for that. It is just like that you do practice for marathon and then somebody says go and do the sprint. You can't do it. You are training for marathon. So then you have to do that thing.